What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I am so excited because, as most of you might have seen or can tell, my hair is not done because we are doing a hair tutorial today. I do so many short form like hair videos. You guys seem to love them, but I really don't do a lot over here on YouTube. So we're gonna be doing my hair today instead of makeup. And this is a really exciting video because we are testing a viral Dyson Airwrap dupe that I'm gonna just spill the tea right now and let you guys in is quite literally better because I have gotten to try it over the past couple weeks and it has quickly become one of my favorite hair tools to use. So I'm really excited. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you're notified of all my future uploads, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the OG Dyson Airwrap. This is mine. I bought this literally like a million years ago to curl the one side of my hair. The Dyson Airwrap nowadays retails for up to $750. Insanity, like that is quite literally so expensive. But you guys have probably heard of Wavy Talk. I've talked about their hair tools online for quite a while, and they have recently come out with I don't even want to call it a dupe because actually like there's more attachments and it's quite literally a better product, but their own air styler type product. This is their Air Shape Pro, and they actually have two sets of this. They have the signature air styler set, but the one that we are going to use today is their roller air styler set, which not only comes with like your traditional curling attachments, but also comes with these roller attachments that are like actually the biggest game changer. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to use them because it sets your curls and they last so much longer. It is so good, but you do also get like a brush attachment. Great if you want to do a more sleek, like straight style, and a traditional blow dryer attachment too. I do want to thank Wavy Talk so much for partnering with me on today's video, but once you guys see how well this works in my hair, you're gonna be wowed. And the best thing is this set retails for $269. Plus you guys can use my code Kelly20, making this significantly cheaper than the Airwrap. Like I don't even know how much percent cheaper that is. It's a lot. And then if you want to get the signature air styler set that does not include the rollers, which is really great for like every day, if you just want something quick, easy, and straightforward, that one's $219. And my discount code Kelly20 will work on that as well. But everything comes packaged so beautifully in these. I'll put a little unboxing on the screen here so you guys can see both packages in different sets and what they come with. They are absolutely beautiful. Everything is so well packaged. I also love the travel case that you get because my Dyson, when I got it years ago, came with this big bulky box that was never fitting anywhere in like a suitcase. Like it's humongous, where this is like a soft carrying bag that is so much better, so much easier to throw in your suitcase and travel with. You can cinch the top like this, and it fits all of your different attachments that you can bring with you on the go if you want to. Very nice material too, so I do really love that. Very beautiful packaging, but what's most important is how does it work? So we're gonna test it together. Okay, so with either product, you don't wanna start with completely dry hair nor completely wet hair. My hair, I would say, is about 80% dry. I'm gonna just section off my hair. These are actually the clips that come for the rollers, but I'm using this section of my hair too. And I'm quickly gonna go in with the Dyson on this side to curl my hair so we have a comparison. My necklace is getting so hot from this, so I'm gonna take it off. Oh my goodness, it's like burning my neck. Half these curls are already starting to fall. That's always kind of been one of my biggest gripes with the Dyson is my hair will look so good when I first do it, but then it falls so quickly for me. Now let's do the top half. All right, here are my Dyson curls. Pretty, and for $750, they should be. But as I said, one of the biggest struggles I've had with the Dyson Airwrap is that these curls typically don't last on my hair. I always wish I had something to like set them better. And that's where the Air Shape Pro from Wavy Talk, specifically the roller air styler set, really comes into play because it's gonna allow you to get these curls but also set them because it comes with the roller. So this is the main like base component. Very similar. You have 3 different speed settings, 3 different heat settings. You also have a cool shot, which is really great. I'll show you guys how I use that when I do my hair. And then obviously the top here that you can add the different attachments to. Now it does come with a traditional curling attachment, but we are gonna use the rollers instead. So to use the rollers, you use this first. You're gonna put this on, it attaches right to the top there, and then you can slide the roller right on top. Now I do wanna call out that there are 2 different types of rollers and they do say right on them what they're for. So the pink ones are for the top. So once we get more to the top of their hair, that's when I'll use the pink ones, and the purple ones are for the side. So I'm gonna use the side ones first. And they do also come with clips too that I showed you guys before that you can use to secure the rollers in place. I'm gonna show you, it is very simple. So I'm gonna clip up the top part of my hair just like I did on the other side. I like to section it kind of, just to make it more manageable. Just turned mine on the highest setting. You're gonna use this in the same way you would use the curling attachment. Your hair will auto wrap around the roller. Then you can just remove the roller. The roller stays in your hair and you clip it in place to let it fully cool. Literal game changer. So everything is gonna feel super sturdy. So I'm gonna continue on using that same pattern throughout the lower portion of my hair. Your hair is gonna wrap around the roller or any of the attachments that you use in this set super easily because they use this air grip Coanda technology. This is an exclusive airflow technology that really helps wrap the hair around the roller for easier curls. It is incredibly simple. Also, if you guys see on the roller, this top part right here is not hot. So that's what you wanna touch when you're pulling it off. It's not gonna burn your hands or anything like that. It does not get hot at all. So you're able to easily grab the roller and then you can put the clip in to hold it in place. Now I have these side rollers in. I still have another side air roller, but I do wanna show you guys, for some of you who may think that you just wanna go with the signature hairstyle set, which is like perfect for every single day. It's cheaper, but still has a lot of great attachments. I do wanna show you how the curling attachment works so you can see that too. So I'm gonna take off this attachment, pop on the curling one, and I'll show you how that works. The Way You Talk AirShape Pro is also super healthy for styling. It's under 302 degrees Fahrenheit with 100 temperature checks per second to make sure that it's not getting too hot, which is gonna cause less damage and more shine to your hair overall. This creates a beautiful curl on its own as well. Super bouncy, which I love. So you really can't go wrong with either set. I would say the Signature Air Styler set is perfect for beginners. And then if you really want that bouncy 90s blowout, you wanna spend a little bit more time on your hair, I would say to splurge for the roller set. It's not that much more, and the rollers are honestly my favorite part of this tool. So I would personally recommend. I love it, but you can't go wrong with either. Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the top rollers instead of the side ones that we were using for the top part of my hair. And I'm gonna just follow that exact same pattern on the top, rolling back and away from my face, almost in like a mohawk portion of my hair to really get that volume and lift. Now, as you guys can see, my hair is really long, so I will wrap my hair up at the bottom and then bring it up and back. This is gonna give you maximum lift, maximum volume. The rollers are super innovative because not only does it give you the ability to actually set your hair so your curls last a lot longer, but they're also significantly faster than traditional rollers. They create a lot more root lift, fuller volume, and bouncier ends. I'll normally hold the roller on the heat setting for only a few seconds, typically like less than 10. And before removing the roller, I'll use the cool shot option just to cool down the curl to really help set it in place. Last one, best one. Clip everything in place and we are good to go. Now I normally like to let these sit for like 20-ish minutes just to make sure that everything cools. It's very quick to do it. Normally it takes me like less than 10 minutes to do my full head. So I'll do this first typically. Then I'll go and do my makeup and then I will take the curls out so they have time to set and cool in these rollers, because then I'm telling you, it will literally last you all day. And it is so hot and humid right now and my hair has been lasting so well with doing this method. So highly recommend doing that, but you can take it out immediately if you want. But for maximum results, I would say let it sit for like 20 minutes. Okay, let's start to take some of these out so we can see the difference and I can show you guys how beautiful these curls are. Like bouncy, voluminous, and the best thing is that they actually will last instead of falling after 2 seconds. Like, I'm obsessed. So beautiful, and I actually think these are significantly easier to use than like traditional hot rollers are, because you don't actually have to touch them like you do with hot rollers, because you have the whole air styler that holds on and then you can just remove them. It's much easier in my opinion, with better results. All right, let's just take the top ones down. So bouncy and pretty. I love. Okay, last roller. I honestly could have let these sit even for a little bit longer, but I was just so eager to show you guys the results. Like, look at how much volume and bounce we have versus this side. Like, no tea, no shade, but yeah, this is what I'm looking for when I'm using like an air styler. I love it. Like, obviously the addition of the rollers to me is an absolute game changer. If you're somebody that wants a bouncy, beautiful, like 90s blowout with lots of volume, you need to get this set. However, if you're more of a beginner, the Signature Air Styler set might be absolutely perfect for you. It's super beginner friendly and it is cheaper. So either way, you cannot go wrong. I will link them both right down below, as well as my discount code and all the information, but like truly, this is the hair of my dreams, okay? I love it, and the price difference in comparison to the Dyson, no matter which set you get, is crazy. And the Dyson doesn't even have a roller option, and to me this is just like the biggest thing that really sets it apart. I love it and have been using it nonstop because it truly, like, this is the hair of my dreams, and I can't even achieve this with like a regular curling iron or anything. It's just so bouncy and voluminous. I love it. I always get so many compliments when I wear my hair like this. Like, it's so pretty. Highly, highly recommend you guys check them out. Seriously, I think you will fall in love. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.